Hello friends, this is Gayatri. Welcome back to BioSchool. Most students often asking me, what are the strategies for preparing CSIR NET examination? If you are preparing for CSIR NET examination 2021, then this video is for you. So before starting preparation, first thing is to download the syllabus. Go to the CSIR website, download the syllabus, analyze the syllabus coolly and calmly. I agree that CSIR has vast syllabus. It consists of 13 units. So no need to worry about that. I think that most of you are aware of that. CSIR asking questions in 3 parts. Part A, it is about general aptitude, and part B, part C, that is subject related. In part B, you will get 50 questions. Out of 50 questions, you have to answer only 35 questions. Similarly, in part C, you will get 75 questions. Out of 75, only you have to answer 25 questions. That means you are getting more options while you are choosing your questions. So you can skip some units. Then question come to mind that which unit I need to skip and which units I should focus more. That thing will be clear by analyzing the previous year CSIR NET questions. By analyzing the previous year CSIR NET questions, you will come to know that which unit carries more weightage. Okay. From which unit most of the questions are asked in CSIR NET examination. I will help you in that because I already have uploaded a video by analyzing the previous year CSIR NET questions that which unit that carries more marks. Okay, basically you need to focus on 6 to 7 units. Okay, and by analyzing the previous year questions, another thing you will come to know, like consider about the cardiovascular system. Okay, in the cardiovascular system, it includes the blood, heart, and the blood vessel. It's a vast chapter, but from that mostly questions are asked from. So from that subject mostly you will get questions from cardiac action potential, cardiac cycle, and ECG. Okay, so this thing you will come to know by analyzing the previous year questions. Okay, so first thing is to download the syllabus, go through the syllabus, analyze the previous year questions. After doing all these homeworks, third thing is to make your study plan. Most of the universities have the syllabus that is quite similar to CSIR NET examination. So first thing, while preparing your study plan, you need books, referred book. Like developmental biology, you will get most questions from Gilbert. Immunology from QA. Okay. So what are the important books for preparation of CSIR NET examination? I have uploaded a video on that and I will add it in my card so that you can go through that video also. And no need to buy all those books. You can download all these books free of cost from the website. You will get that link in my description box, from which site you can download the books without paying any fee. So after getting all the books, you can store it in your device. Then make your study plan and be strict on that. Start preparation from the units you have more strength and more knowledge. Okay, so that will build your confidence. After preparing that subject, practice previous year CSIR NET questions. Also give some mock test. It will build your confidence. Okay, and while preparing, just highlight the important points or note it down. It will highly essential while you are revising. So I will recommend you to complete your syllabus just before 1 month of your examination, so that in the last month you will revise and analyze. As much as you revise or practice, that will build your confidence. That's what we need before going to the examination. If you are confident that this time I have prepared well, that confidence will help you a lot, because in CSIR NET exam many questions that are analysis basis. If your concept is clear, then no need to worry about that. My aim is to help you and make your journey smooth. My all lectures are with solved previous year CSIR NET questions. Okay, and please don't forget to share with your friends so that they can also get benefit. Please do subscribe my channel for more updates. Stay connected, stay healthy, stay happy. Wish you all the best for your preparation and for examination. Bye bye. See you in my next video.